करेंगे। प्रश्न संख्या 121, जिनका लैंग्वेज पेपर 2 में इंग्लिश है उनके लिए ये है। पहला, ए ग्राफोलॉजिस्ट कैन गिव एक्यूरेट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट a person's popularity graph, a person's mental health, setbacks a person is likely to face in future. चौथा, a person's chance of success। सही उत्तर होगा इसका विकल्प नंबर 3। अगला प्रश्न, a person who writes with large letters that errs over to the top line is likely to be outgoing, introverted, aggressive, डिफिडेंट। सही उत्तर होगा इसका डिफिडेंट। अगला प्रश्न, एन अटेंशन सीकिंग कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन राइट्स विथ पहला टीनी लेटर्स, कर्सिव लेटर्स, लार्ज लेटर्स, राउंडेड लेटर्स। सही उत्तर होगा इसका तीसरा, लार्ज लेटर्स। अगला प्रश्न, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। ए graphology has been practiced for thousands of years. B, a person's handwriting reveals everything about him. पहला, A is true and B is false। दूसरा, A is false and B is true। तीसरा, both A and B are true। चौथा, both A and B are false। सही उत्तर होगा इसका 4। अगला प्रश्न, 125 नंबर का प्रश्न, Which one of the following word is similar in meaning to the word verify? पैरा 2 में जो कि है, as used in the passage, clarify, confirm, notify, discover। सही उत्तर होगा इसका clarify। अगला प्रश्न, Which one of the following word is opposite in meaning to reveal? पैरा नंबर 5, as used in the passage, blacken, reveal, conceal, teal। इसका सही जवाब होगा 2। अगला प्रश्न, Which part of a speech is used the underlined word in the following sentence? Graphologist can verify whether the autographs are real or fake। और के जगह पर हमको कौन सा शब्द आएगा ये पता करना है। एडवर्ब, प्रीपोजिशन, प्रोनाउन और कंजक्शन। सही जवाब होगा इसका कंजक्शन। अगला प्रश्न, Which of the following statement is not true? Handwriting is used by graphologists to nail criminals, verify genuineness of signatures, help of couples to determine their suitability to each other। predict about a person's future criminal tendency। सही उत्तर होगा इसका पहला, नेल क्रिमिनल्स। अगला प्रश्न, प्रश्न संख्या 129। Which one of the following ploys does the author not use to get rid of unwanted guests? The place is infested with scorpions, centipedes fall from the ceiling, there is acute water scarcity, he has already too many guests। सही उत्तर होगा दूसरा। अगला प्रश्न, Which of the following does not apply to the unwelcome guests? They are utterly shameless. They want to enjoy themselves at the author's expense. They are thick-skinned. They don't have enough money to stay at a hotel। सही जवाब होगा इसका 4। 131 नंबर प्रश्न, The postman delivered to the author a letter inviting him to interview the Maharshi. His rejected manuscript along with a check. His rejected manuscript along with a rejection slip. A letter commissioning him to write a new novel। सही उत्तर होगा इसका 4। अगला प्रश्न, Which one of the following word is similar in meaning to the word readily paraic as used in the passage? Frankly, easily, efficiently, plainly। सही उत्तर होगा इसका 3। अगला प्रश्न, Which one of the following word is opposite in meaning to the word soaring paradu as used in the passage? Hovering, expecting, falling, deteriorating। सही उत्तर होगा इसका 1। Which part of the following sentence contain an error? Both Raghunath as well as Ravish have given their consent to the new proposal। पहला डी, दूसरा ए, तीसरा सी, चौथा बी। सही उत्तर होगा इसका 3। अगला प्रश्न, Which of the following is true? People who visit the author at the onset of the summer are his old schoolmates, his closest friend and relatives, people whom he hardly knows, his colleagues। सही उत्तर होगा 1। अगला प्रश्न, Answer the following question by selecting the most appropriate option। प्रश्न संख्या 136। Which one of the following activities comes under calf. पहला राइटिंग बुक्स रिव्यूज, दूसरा मेकिंग रिजर्वेशंस, तीसरा आंसरिंग कॉल्स, चौथा मेकिंग एन अपॉइंटमेंट फॉर अ सैलून। 36 का होगा दूसरा, मेकिंग रिजर्वेशंस। अगला प्रश्न, द ब्रांच ऑफ लिंग्विस्टिक्स that deals with the explanation of the relation between language and society is known as societal language, psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, anthropological linguistics। सही उत्तर होगा 3। अगला प्रश्न, फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट हेल्प इन, पहला assessing a teacher's efficiency in teaching, providing quality feedback to learners, improve, creating an environment where learners can compete with each other, engaging learners in meaningful tasks and preparing them for competitive exam। सही उत्तर होगा इसका 138 का पहला, असेसिंग अ टीचर्स एफिशिएंसी इन टीचिंग। अगला प्रश्न, कम्युनिकेटिव लैंग्वेज टीचिंग मेथड इन इंग्लिश लेज स्ट्रेस ऑन गिविंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू लर्नर्स टू पार्टिसिपेट इन अ purposeful talk in the classroom as it promotes, पहला, the use of mother tongue freely in the classroom, learners to encounter with real life situations their written expression in the classroom, learners to minimize spelling and grammatical errors। सही उत्तर होगा इसका learners to encounter with real life situations। अगला प्रश्न,